This is how I made this Ghibli fantasy animation. Create a new plane, add a new material. In the base color, choose image texture and then add your texture. In the shader editor, delete your default BSDF. Add your color ramp, add the shader RGB and then connect everything. In the particle properties, add new hair, decrease length to 1.5 and choose simple. In the shader editor, choose the color you want by clicking in plus. Choose the front color is perfect. Change it from linear to constant. Select your plane and go to edit mode. Subdivided, select face mode and then select proportion mode. Select some faces, press G and create some hail. Select word in shade editor and then choose the blue color. Create a new camera and then put it wherever you want. You can bring anything from Sketchfab. For me, I choose Tatooine Kit Badge, link in the description. Apply with the same texture node that we made for the plane. Ctrl A, add image as a plane. If you don't have it, go to File, Preferences, Add-on and look for image as a plane. This cloud is downloaded from Google. You can type PNG Cloud Anime. Add some turbulence. Strength 0.5. Right click on location, press and set keyframe, go to the end of the frame, move your turbulence and then right click and set keyframe. Select your camera and then click depth fill. Select your object and put your f-stop on 1.2. Go to Mixmao, choose your character animation and then click on download with skin. Go to file import, FBX and import your model. Animate your camera. You can add some bursts to make it realistic. You can find on Sketchfab for free and this is the final result.